I did a coding challenge for the very first time, and here are my thoughts. I made a huge mistake. I did not make my project mobile friendly. So when it was time for voting and I had to send out the links, I was like, oh, I completely forgot. I only thought about this, how it will look in desktop view and not mobile view. That is a huge mistake you can make as a developer. Little background. I am a brand ambassador for SheCodes.io. SheCodes is a website that does coding workshops and coding lessons for women. And there's plenty of people that use this all over the world. And it's just a good way to find a community where you can learn and you can grow and learn up-to-date skills that you'll need in the industry. So every month there's a coding challenge. For March, the coding challenge was titled the Favorite Recipe Challenge. And for this challenge, you had to create a single page application displaying your favorite recipe. There were a few requirements like make sure it has a button, have fun with it, make sure you have the full recipe, and that was pretty much it. So for this challenge, I chose a jerk chicken and pasta, jerk chicken and shrimp pasta recipe. That is like a favorite recipe that my family likes that I make. So I wanted to use that one. I had a really good time making this. There were some things that was frustrating me a little bit as far as the CSS is concerned. However, overall, I had a good time doing this challenge. It kind of gave me a little bit more confidence in my coding skills. So I filmed my process so you can see how I drew out my sketch of how I wanted it to look. You get to see how I went about going through the project, and then you'll see my final result. Voting is still open. It's open until next Tuesday, the 1st, April 1st. So if you want to go vote for my project, I'll have it in the description below. But I hope you enjoyed this type of video. I might do more of these so you can see how I take a problem and come up with a solution and show you guys my thought process and how I go through it to execute what I'm trying to in my code. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you again. Bye.